home. Let's see 4 animals. Look, come on, let's go! Let's see, go! Hi!
Moo.
Moo! Moo! This is cow sound. Moo! 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 Ma! 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 This is good. Bye-bye. Come, let's see next animal. Let's see. Six long snake. Ba! 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 Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. This is my pig. Pig sounds like one point, one point, one point, one point, one point, 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 point. This is dad. That sounds like quack quack, quack quack, quack quack, quack quack. See, let's my chicken. Chicken sounds like cock, 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 cock. Come, friends, let's dance. 아니야! 안돼지 안 돼요! 아니야! Friends! I'm in Aishu. Animals my best friend! These are my friends! I'm looking like what? Tell me! See me? I'm busy here! There is grass! Bell, bell! Bell, bell, bell! Bell, bell, bell! Bell, bell, bell! Hey, look at that! Hey, come! My big friend! Tell me! If I never see animal, tell me animal! கண்டுபிடிங்க. Yes, yes! Elephant! Elephant is the big animal. Elephants sound like thump, thump. Hey, look at that! It's my elephant. Look at that! This way! கண்டுபிடிங்க பாப்போம். Yes! It's tiger! Interesting company. What the judge sunola kondupuchoni? Yes. This is Fox sounds like Hey, look at that! My telephone is stuck. Someone got name? Yes, guys! Beard! bigger sound like Body band. Bye, Tata. Bye, Tata.